I'm in the mood, I'm in the club, just wanna rock your body. I'm in the mood, I'm in the club, just wanna rock somebody. I'm feeling good, I'm ready to prove, just wanna rock somebody. I'm feeling good, I see you soon, I just wanna rock somebody. Now I'm back and I'm fresh as a cold clean. Once you're here to mash up the scene. With this brand new style we have bring. Make you jump to the top of the ceiling. Hold it! So still to the now, you're on an on
This is a wooden folding scissors tool or table. It consists of two pairs of wooden scissors leg pieces, similar to wooden scissors described in previous videos. A press line was placed on the wooden scissors tool, just as an application simulation. You can review previous videos for a better description on making wooden scissors with movable joints of wooden dowels or other cylindrical materials and fitting holes. A partial assembly was done just to give you a clearer idea of the design. The top pieces with their connecting supporting bases were removed. The two pairs of scissors of the legs pieces were positioned as shown, such that the two inner legs were connected and the two outer legs were connected around them in a way that they don't obstruct each other while opening and closing the leg scissors. The assembly of the scissors stool was done by fitting the connecting pieces with the top pieces, that is, one within the top of the inner legs while the other was connected around the top of the outer legs with movable joints as shown. The stool is easy to open by periodically lifting the top horizontally and then pushing them together and simultaneously using them to open the leg scissors. This is very common table folding stool design.
Thanks for watching, and always remember that develop its